Welcome to a club for people who love good movies. Use the links in the description to navigate the list of films quickly. Cube. Without remembering how they got there, several strangers awaken in a prison of cubic holes, some of them booby-trapped. There's one-time cop Quentin, scientist Holloway, young math genius Levin, master of escapes Rennes, autistic savant cousin, and architect Worth, who might have more information on the maze that he leads on. The prisoners must use their combined skills if they are to escape.
Escape room. 6 strangers find themselves in circumstances beyond their control and must use their wits to survive. Sleepless. Get out. Missing You. A girl who lost her father to a serial killer, a detective and the killer are intertwined in the chaotic relationship and are met with an unprecedented series of events. Hard Target 2. The Accountant. As a month went on cooks the books for a new client, the Treasury Department closes in on his activities and the body count starts to rise. Deepwater Horizon.
Tell us in the comments which movies you think should be added to the list and share any other thoughts or suggestions you might have. Thanks and see you soon!